The Supreme Court is about to overthrow the Roe v. Wade law. Before the Roe v. Wade law was in effect, the Texas state laws on abortion banned them unless it was to protect the mother's life. The court decided that, 1, all women have the right to abort pre-viability. 2, the states may restrict abortion post-viability. And 3, a state has legitimate interest in a woman and fetus's health. Planned Parenthood has given us the right to safe and legal abortion. This has been the case since 1942. However, the Supreme Court wants to take away the blanket protection of abortion and let the states decide. If this is the case, 26 states are planning to make it illegal to have an abortion, and they're even trying to make it illegal to go out of state to get a safe abortion. The states in red are the ones that are planning to outlaw abortion. Now, the states and their senators that are planning to outlaw abortion are Alabama, which has 2 male Republicans, Arizona, a male and female Democrat, Arkansas, 2 male Republicans, Georgia, 2 male Democrats, Idaho, 2 male Republicans, Iowa, a male and female Republican, Kentucky, 2 male Republicans, Louisiana, 2 male Republicans, Michigan, female and male Democrats, Mississippi, male and female Republicans, Missouri, 2 male Republicans, North Dakota, 2 male Republicans, Ohio, a male Democrat and 1 Republican, Oklahoma, 2 male Republicans, South Carolina, a male and female Republican, South Dakota, 2 male Republicans, Tennessee, a female and male Republican, Texas, 2 male Republicans, Utah, 2 male Republicans, West Virginia, a male Democrat and a female Republican, Wisconsin, a male Republican and a female Democrat, and Wyoming, a male and female Republican. You can tell that it is most are solely Republican. And 13 of the 26 states are cis males that have not had to deal with the female reproductive system or sexual health. A pregnancy would be 9 months of nausea, vomiting, swelling, varicose veins, backaches, hemorrhoids, heartburn, fatigue, constipation, and sleep loss. Even then, 10 to 12% of pregnancies end in miscarriage. No one wants to have an abortion. No one wakes up and says, I really wish I was pregnant so I can spend up to $2,000 on an abortion. In 2014, 3/4 of all abortion patients were low income. Many patients also didn't have insurance and had to pay for the abortions out of pocket. A slight majority of patients were also living on their own. A lot of these women were simply not ready to have a child because there is a huge emotional, physical, and and financial toll that goes on to you. Even if a woman was pregnant out of rape, she must carry the pregnancy to full term if these states are planning to outlaw abortion. In the United States, 76% of all women have been a victim to sexual abuse or harassment, and 1 in every 6 women has been a victim of attempted or completed rape in her lifetime. About 3 million women in the United States have experienced rape-related pregnancy. Women, if they do carry the fetus to full term, can go to court and attempt to prevent their rapist from having parental rights. In Washington, either the attacker must plead guilty or the woman who was raped must have clear evidence of it. The rapist is extremely unlikely to admit to it, and it's extremely hard to prove it, unless there were pictures or text proving it. Therefore, women would have to share parental rights with the man who raped her, most likely. Now, in these 26 states I mentioned earlier, they would make it illegal to have an abortion unless it was to save the mother's life, which means if she were raped, she would still have to have the baby of the rapist. And without proof, he would have parental rights. Anytime a woman is raped in a state banning abortion, she will bear the rapist's child and have to share it with him. Without safe legal abortions, women are likely to turn to unsafe, illegal abortions. This includes sticking sharp sticks up the vagina, cervix, and into the uterus, drinking toxic substance like bleach, herbal concoctions inserted to the vagina, or inflictions of trauma to the stomach, like hitting or falling onto it. While none of these seem to work, they do induce life-threatening consequences, like hemorrhage, sepsis, poisoning, or damage to other organs. This will usually call for a blood transfusion or a major surgery, including a hysterectomy. Some will also buy abortion medication on the black market, and while it's safer, there can still be incorrect dosing or poor drug quality. Roughly 20 million women perform some sort of unsafe abortions, and about 68,000 die from doing it. Banning abortions doesn't actually mean what it sounds like. It means that safe abortions are illegal, leading to more unsafe and dangerous abortions instead.